What's up, everybody? It's been a long time since we met. I couldn't upload videos last time because I had some issues, but here I am, back with a new app for your productivity. Let's get started. Our app of the week this time is Disk Usage. Disk Usage is a small app that lets you access your internal storage or external storage and lets you see what is the size of each and every folder and file at the deepest levels. Now you might be wondering what's so special about this app, because there are like tons of apps on the Play Store that let you do the exact same stuff. They let you analyze your storage and let you clean up your junk files or folders. But wait and watch till the end of this video. You'll know exactly why I suggested you this app. This app is very small in size, but it does exactly what you want it to. So I've installed it. Let me just open it now. So if you open this app, the first thing that you'll see on screen is what do you want to analyze. The first one is your internal storage, the second one is your external storage. Let's go ahead and click the internal storage. As you can see, it will start scanning all the directories at the deepest levels on your phone or tablet. Let it finish. It'll just take a few seconds and then we'll get right back. So it has finished scanning all the directories in my internal storage, and what we see on screen are multiple boxes in different colors. Now let me explain what each of these is. If we go to the first one, we see that there's a storage card of 52.2 GB. Alright, so this is our internal storage because this is what was available to us after using all the system files and whatever is required to run the system out of 64 GBs. So if the first one is your storage card, we can see that inside your storage card, the apps consist of 22.7 GB, media is 3.92 GB, there's system data that consists of user cache and other system files and folders. So if we have apps of 22.7 GBs, you might want to look at what is the app that is consuming the most of space. So inside apps, we have Netflix of 7.66 GBs. Alright, so I have a lot of movies and TV shows downloaded already to this device, so this might consume all the data. Out of 7.66 GB that Netflix app itself is consuming, this data of 7.46 gigs, and if I zoom in a little bit, you can see there's the cache of 136 MB and the APK file that is required to install Netflix of 72.7 MB. Wow. Okay, I'll just zoom out a bit. I'll see other apps are consuming some stuff too. So, of course, they're sorted in a descending order because if you see, the box that takes the most space has the largest size. Now if we go down, we can see that there's media that is 3.92 gigs. Inside media we have a download of 2.25 gigs, documents, DCIM and other stuff. You can keep zooming in, it'll show you everything at the deepest nodes. So that's it. What makes it different from the other apps that just analyze your storage and say that they're cleaning up junk files and other stuff? Well, to be honest, this isn't an app that does false promises. It won't clean up junk files for you, but it will show you exactly where your files are in the deepest levels inside the directories, and you'll know for sure what is the file or folder that is consuming a lot of space. You can see that if I zoom in a little bit inside downloads, I'll see everything that's present inside downloads. I mean the smallest of the files that I have. I can keep zooming in and see what is the size that every file is consuming. Trust me, this app is way better than all the junk file cleaners on the Play Store. And it doesn't have any ads and it's completely free. So what's next? Go ahead on the Play Store and download this app. I'll leave the link in description. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. If you haven't followed my Instagram page yet, you're missing out on a lot of tech deals, tech news, freebies and whatnot. I'll leave the link in description for my page. Go ahead and follow it right away.